그 남자는 아저씨가 아니에요. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is AHJUSSI가. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word AHJUSSI. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 146. AHJUSSI. AHJUSSI. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is a, the second syllable is jo, the third syllable is she. Pronounce it with me. AHJUSSI. AHJUSSI. The word AHJUSSI is the Korean noun for an old man or a man that is of the same age as your parents or your father. Again, this is the Korean noun for an old man. How do we spell AHJUSSI in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable A in Hangul, we need to draw first a no sound iyang or a placeholder iyang, followed by an A character. For the second syllable jo, we need to draw first a jiyut character, followed by an O character. For the last syllable she, we need to draw first a sangsiyut or a double siyut character, followed by an E character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word AHJUSSI. The usual Romanized spelling of the word AHJUSSI is just like the first one, which is spelled as AHJUSSI. But if you're going to Romanize it based on the actual Hangul characters, it would be spelled as AJEOSSI. Either way is correct as long as you remember the Hangul characters for AHJUSSI. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word AHJUSSI, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, that guy is not an old man. The Korean translation of this sentence is 그 남자는 아저씨 아니에요. Again, 그 남자는 아저씨 아니에요. The first part of the sentence is 그 남자는. The word 그 means that. The word namja means boy, and nun is just added to namja to indicate that this is the topic or the subject of the sentence. So, 그 남자는 only means that boy. The second part of the sentence is 아저씨. This is our word for today, and we know that it means an old man. The last part of the sentence is 아니에요. This is already tackled on this channel, and we know that it means it's not. So, if these three parts are combined, it would result to a sentence that means that guy, an old man, it's not. Or, that guy is not an old man. Therefore, if we will go back to the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 그 남자는 아저씨가 아니에요 is simply that guy is not an old man. And with that, you've just learned AHJUSSI. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 136 to 145. But don't forget, our word for today is word number 146, AHJUSSI. And this is the Korean noun for an old man. Word number 145 is imo, and this is the Korean noun for aunt. Word number 144 is samchon, and this is the Korean noun for uncle. Word number 143 is jame, and this is the Korean noun for sisters. Word number 142 is yongjae, and this is the Korean noun for brothers. Word number 141 is dongseng, and this is the Korean noun for younger sibling. Word number 136 is iroke. This is an adverb which indicates that an action should be done like this or this way. Word number 137 is bekopa. This is an adjective which is used to describe yourself as hungry. Word number 138 is yepoda, and this is an adjective which means pretty. Word or phrase number 139 is 뭐라고, and this is an informal way of saying or asking, what did you say? And the last for our review is word number 140, maknae. This is the Korean noun for youngest sibling, or it could also mean the youngest in a family or group. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.